Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Transforming your home bedroom with wallpaper is captivating design choice that can breathe new life into your personal sanctuary. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination, with an array of amazing wallpaper ideas to suit every taste and style. For a touch of elegance, consider classic floral patterns or intricate damask designs which execute timeless charm. If you crave a more contemporary vibe, opt for geometric prints or bold abstract motifs that can add a splash of modernity to your space. For a cozy and rustic atmosphere, textured wallpapers in earthy tones can create a warm and inviting ambience. Additionally, you can experiment with soothing pastel shades or vibrant, eye-catching hues to match your personality. Whether your preference bedroom wallpaper allows you to express your creativity and create a truly enchanting retreat that reflects your unique lifestyle. Moreover, you can explore the wonders of nature right in your bedroom by choosing scenic wallpapers featuring landscapes, forests, or serene beach views. To add a touch of whimsy and personality, consider custom design wallpapers that showcase your favorite quotes, artwork, or even family photos. Don't forget the versatility of peel and stick wallpapers, which make recording a breeze without the commitment. For those who appreciate the illusion of space. Opt for wallpapers with horizontal stripes to hidden the room or vertical stripes to enhance its height. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a well-chosen accent wall where a striking wallpaper can be the focal point that ties the entire bedroom together, making it an extraordinary space you will love to relax in. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.